as one, and we must struggle to keep as one the Catholic Church. We must struggle to be a holy body of Jesus Christ. And holiness is not optional, it's not only for priests, but holiness is for everybody. Every 5 years, the bishops of the Catholic Church in every nation have to travel to Rome to meet the Holy Father, to show their communion with the Holy Father, and also to show the unity of the universal church, the Catholic Church.
Today we celebrate the memorial of the first Eucharist, at which our Lord Jesus shared with his apostles, and with us his own priest the service of his church. Now, in the presence of your bishop and God's holy people, are you ready to renew your